viewers.
Ready?
Yeah. Yes, look, check it out. Nice land, baby. Bring him in.
Come on,
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Fishy.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, baby.
Look at this hook, right where it's supposed to be. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's what we came looking for. Gerrit strikes again.
Look at that.
Sweet. That gotta be at least 10 for you, Gerrit. Maybe more.
Let's weigh him.
Watch the weigh in. It's gonna be great.
All right. We're looking at between 1 and just under 2. There it is.
2 pounds. Great catch. Once again.
Ooh, he's a squirmer. Nice fishy.
All right. Let's do it again. Nice kiss. And we're out. Fish on.